Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I just want to mention once again that my fan is on. It's in the background of the camera. I hope you're not picking up the sound because it is much too hot. The summer is just, just wicked here in New York City, and it is much too hot in this room to do my videos with the AC and the fan off. So I chose to turn the AC off because you really wouldn't be able to hear me anyway. And so the fan is on. And so if you hear that low hum in the background, that's my fan. Okay guys, so this video is a makeup video. I haven't done a makeup video in a long time, and I just wanted to come through with a makeup look for you. Deck of Scarlet sent me a palette to show you guys. This is the Belle Jorden palette right here, and Belle Jorden is a YouTuber, and she has like this fabulous Instagram page going on also, so I'll definitely leave her name and her channel link below. Her name is Belle Jorden, and this palette was designed for her in mind. In case you guys don't know anything about the Deck of Scarlet, the Deck of Scarlet is a subscription palette, and it costs $29.95, roughly about $30. The palette comes out every couple of months. If you want, you can stop your subscription anytime you want. If you see there's a palette that's coming out that you don't like, you don't have to take it. You can always stop the subscription, or if you want, you can cancel at any time. So there's a coupon code available with this palette, guys. I'll have that in the description section below, and I definitely will include it in the video. So check it out if you're interested. If you need it like a discount to join, you definitely can take advantage of that. Let me open it up and show you guys. I like this palette because it has a lot of colors that I like. I like purples and I like plums, and we have a lot of that going on in this palette. These two shades right here on the side, those are the lipstick shades. Those are absolutely pretty. And then you got 5 eye and cheek shadow here. You can use everything on your eyes or on your cheeks. Get a nice size mirror right there. And let me just very quickly swatch this palette for you. But before I tell you that, I have to say that this palette comes with a mascara. This mascara is so nice, guys. This makeup look that I have on right now, I created with the whole palette. I didn't use any other like cheek color or face color. The only thing I did different, the only thing that I used other that didn't come with this palette was my lashes, my false lashes, and my black eyeliner. Yeah, that's the only thing that I did that didn't come with this palette. So this whole look that I'm rocking for you today was created with this palette. Guys, look at that highlight. That highlight is really, it's just really popping. Comes with a mascara, guys. Let me just show you the mascara. The mascara is full. It's very creamy, and it really applies a very healthy coat of mascara to your lashes. This reminds me a lot of that manga lash. If you like that, you definitely will love this. Mascara is very, very rich. It's very creamy. It's very black. Okay. I'm going to demo this for you. I'm going to create a very like soft, very soft, muted, neutral look. So I wanted to come through, show you maybe like a more like of an intense eye look, and then I'm going to show you, just demo a softer look for you. But this came out really, really pretty. So okay guys, so I'm going to go right into the makeup look, and I'm going to start off with that very deep dark color called Drama, and I'm going to apply that to my crease area. I'm going to apply it very lightly. I don't want a very intense look today. This is daytime look, and I'm going to be going right out after I finish this makeup look. The next color I'm using is that purple plum color called Crush. I'm just going to apply a little bit of that to my lid and just blend it out. And what I did, guys, was I used a NYX concealer as my base, and it was a little dry, so it caused the shadows to go on in a very patchy way, but they did blend out really well, but I had to work at it. So if you're going to use any eye base, just make sure that it's fresh, it's still creamy, and definitely still pliable to your skin. So I'm just working that product in, that Crush in, just to get a nice smooth look. I did have to eventually use my finger just to go in and blend it down, make it look nice and smooth. So I'm just applying a little bit of that Crush under my eye area because I want to create just a under eye look also, just a little bit. And you can see how smooth it went on under my eye. Just goes on really smoothly, as long as you have like a good eye base. And as you can see, I do have my fan on. This color here is called Shh. That's a very intense highlight color. I used a lot of it, not realizing how intense it was, as you can see. And I'm just gonna put it on. I'm just gonna blend it down. So after I applied that to my under eye area, I went in and I applied a little bit of that to my lid. So after that, I just took out my black eyeliner. This one is by Kat Von D, and it's a little bit dry, so I switch off in the middle of aligning my eye to another one. I think it's by Maybelline. But anyway, I'm lining my eyes with black eyeliner, and yeah. And so here's where I switched off, and sorry about the color change, guys, to the film, but it is what it is. So I'm just making a little bit of a wing. So after that, I started to apply the mascara. The mascara is nice and rich. It's a very full coverage to your lashes, which I like. So I applied a little bit there, and I applied it also to my lower lash line, which is really, it just made my lower lashes really, really pop. And I applied a little bit more mascara just to the tips of my false lashes. It came out so beautiful. So I went back in with a spoolie brush just to smooth out mascara, making sure that it wasn't clumpy. And yeah, so now that I have my hair down, I'm going in now with that color called Whisper, and I'm going to use that as my blush. This is a beautiful natural looking blush for my skin tone. So next is the Shh. I'm going to apply that as my highlighter, and as you can see, it's going on very, very intense, so I had to blend it down a lot. It's so pretty, nice and gold, very shimmery, and a little goes a long way. A little goes a long way, guys. So I just blended it down with another brush, and then I blended it down with my fingers, and then I took a little bit, just put it on the tip of my nose and a little bit down the bridge just to bring a little more light. So now I'm using my lip pencil. This is the magenta lip pencil. This is by MAC, and I'm just lining my lips a little bit, making them a little even. And after that, I'm going to apply the Passion lipstick. I'm going to use my finger to apply it. Goes on very smooth and creamy. Looks really, really nice. And after that, guys, I'm going to go in with the other color called Tempting, and I'm just going to apply that to the center of my lips. And that's it, guys. That's the look. Really, really nice, pigmented, nice daytime look. You can make this into a nighttime look if you wanted. And yeah, came out really, really pretty. I absolutely love it. And there are the colors. It just came out so beautiful, guys. I really like this. This is one of my favorite palettes because it has some of my favorite colors. Alright guys, so that's it. I hope you like both looks, the one I'm rocking now and the one that I showed you in the video. I do want to apologize for the lighting change. It was daytime when I did the soft muted look for you, and the light in the room, because this room is white, it just washed out a lot of the colors, but I did swatch them on my hand so that you can see how pigmented they are. So the look I created for you was a simple light look. It came out beautiful, and the look I'm wearing for you now is more of a slightly more intense look. But anyway, I love them both. They came out great. Let me know what you think, guys. Don't forget, there's a coupon attached to this palette, Belle Jorden Palette. I'll definitely will leave the link in the description section for you if you want to take advantage of the coupon. It definitely is there for you. And guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Take care of yourselves. God bless, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye.